Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to get the details on this silky straight headband wig, stick around and stay tuned. I know you guys have probably seen this wig already, and if you guys haven't, check out the last video and then come on back to this one. But I am reviewing another headband wig today, so let me go ahead and snatch that off.
Like, you just snatched it off on camera like
I showed it.
and don't give
And don't. I'm putting this shit right back on.
Oh.
Alright. Okay, so it just came in this plastic bag right here. 2 of these hair weaving caps, which I'm not going to use because I already have a cap on right now. This is the wig here. Let me take it out. Can you guys see that? Okay, so it's just a straight wig. It has like a little flip at the bottom. It has a velvet headband. Okay, I think that's pretty cute. That's different, at least different from the headband wigs that I have seen. This is what the cap construction looks like. And on this wig, I don't see a comb attachment. So if you know about straight hair, you know you have to constantly brush it and comb it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. The brand that this wig came from is Bogsea. It is a synthetic straight headband wig with a velvet black headband. It's supposed to be very natural looking, and they say it's also easy to wear. So the cap size is 22 to 22.75 inches in head circumference. It says it has a soft stretch cap with adjustable straps in the back and made with premium fiber. It has open vents for good ventilation. Alright, so those are the details. I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. And there's a lot of flyaways. I'm not a huge fan of straight hair all like that. I will have to be completely honest. I feel like for me, especially because I wear my natural hair majority of the time, I think it's just easier to work with curls than it is to work with straight hair. But let's go ahead and put it on. Okay. I'm just gonna push it back a little bit. Oh, the cap. I don't know, did I? I don't know. Alright, there we go. I just needed to fix the headband strap. Okay, and push this back a little bit more. Okay, underneath my cap I have my bonnet on. So this is straight hair and it's not looking super bulky. It's sitting pretty flat. All you need is a really thin bonnet, and you could put it on underneath your wig cap to protect your hair. Alright guys, so this is what this wig is looking like. It is pretty long. So I really do like this wig. I believe it doesn't say how long it is, but by where it hits, I would say this wig is about like 18, no longer than about 20 inches long. I like the velvet headband. I think it suits it very well. Now this is a synthetic wig. A synthetic straight wig. There is a lot of shedding with this wig here. Another thing I didn't really care for is the cap behind the headband keeps exposing itself. I just wish that the actual headband was sewn onto the cap a little bit further. Also, it would be nice for a wig like this to have some type of combs, because I feel like it would make it feel a little more secure on my head. But I'm not feeling like this wig is just going to slide off, but I still would like that security there. Overall though, it's not too much hair and then it's not too little. It actually is very natural looking, I would say. Lots of luster, a lot of body. This hair is very soft, very soft. It just has some shedding that you would have to get used to. I definitely see myself wearing this wig out. You will definitely have to comb through it a lot because it is tangly as well. Have a comb or some type of brush on hand to keep it nice and smooth, or else it's gonna get super tangly, super frizzy, and yeah, you don't want that. But yeah, lays down pretty flat. It's not a lot of hair as far as thickness or density. Very medium density hair, and I like it. I really do like this. It's not doing too much, it's not doing too little. You can really go anywhere with this wig, and yeah, I like this one for sure. I might wear this on Christmas. I don't know, but I like this wig. This is a keeper. She is cute, okay, and she is long. Let me stand up so you guys can see how long she comes. So she's a nice length. She's not super long. I like how I can brush some to the side here. That's really cute. And I also can, I would like to be able to just, you know, brush it all the way back, but it does kind of expose a little bit around by the ears. So you do just have to be careful because you still can be exposed, but the headband naturally just scrunches up a little bit towards the back. I don't know, I can loosen it up, but honestly I don't want to because remember, this wig does not have any combs to really secure the wig. Honestly, those are about the only cons. So I like the shine on it. I like the density of the wig. It is really nice. It is not super thin, but it is on the thinner side. I like that it's not super thick though. It does tangle and it does shed. What do the wig baes call it? I think Silky Indiana say it all the time. It's shangling. Okay, it's tangling and shedding. It's doing both of those. But it is a really nice wig though. I really like this. It is really super cute. It is sitting nice and flat on my head. I told y'all I got a wig cap on and a whole bonnet underneath that. So the fact that I'm able to do that and this still fits really nicely, I love it. You know, I like to put all the hair to one side. That's just something I love to do. This wig right here is definitely a go. I love it. All right guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I would really like to say thank you to Bogsea for sending over this hair. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.